This is how you can create videos like this using AI. Let me show you. First, copy this magic prompt. You'll find it in the description below. Next, head over to Gemini. Paste the magic prompt here and press enter. Now it'll give you 20 different ideas. Just enter the number of the one you like. If you already have your own idea or want to create a video around a specific recipe, I'll show you how to do that later. I like concept 15, so I'll enter that and press enter. Next, it'll ask for your preferred aspect ratio. Since I'm making videos for Instagram Reels and TikTok, I'll choose 9:16, then press enter. Now copy this prompt and search for Google Flow. Open it. Paste the image prompt here. Click Settings. Choose the 9:16 aspect ratio. Select how many outputs you want. I'm going with 2. Then choose the Nano Banana Pro model. Save the settings and press enter. While Google Flow is generating the images, go back to Gemini and start a new chat. Paste the exact same prompt there as well, since Gemini can generate images too. Google Flow has finished generating the images, but it made a small mistake here. It gave the subject 2 hands. Another image is still generating, so let's see if that one turns out better. Now take a look at Gemini's image. It actually did a great job. The details look really good. Copy it and paste it into the same chat. Google Flow also generated a really solid image. We'll use these images to create the video. Now go back to the magic prompt chat in Gemini and type next. Gemini will now generate the video prompt for that image. Copy it. Download the image you like from Google Flow or just drag and drop it here. Then paste the prompt. In Settings, choose the 9:16 aspect ratio. Select the Omni Flash model, save the settings, and press enter. Now do the exact same thing in the same Gemini chat where you generated the image. Paste the prompt there and press enter. Now both videos are being generated. Google Flow is asking for approval. Just approve it, and it'll start generating the video. Gemini has finished generating the videos, so let's check them out. Let's watch the second one too. The second video actually looks even better than the first one. It feels a lot more engaging. Google Flow has finished generating its video as well. Let's check it out. Personally, I prefer the Google Flow result. Now, if you want to create a video around a specific recipe, go back to the magic prompt chat in Gemini and type something like, "I want to create a video about fried chicken." Generate a prompt for it. After that, the process is exactly the same. Choose your aspect ratio. Click Next. Copy the image prompt. Generate the images in both Google Flow and Gemini. Then paste those images back into the same chat. Type Next again to get the video generation prompt. Then paste it into both Google Flow and Gemini along with the image. Press enter, and that's it. Your video is ready. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll be sharing more AI tutorials and tips very soon.